Hey guys, run through a diag with me in real time. We got a 2005 F150. Customer states drive for about a mile, and then he has to shut it off and turn it back on. Then he can drive for another mile, and that's what's going on. Here's our list of codes. We got the fuel rail pressure, camshaft position, charging system fault, all these different things. We also got, which one was interesting here? Cylinder head over temperature protection active. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of these, clear the codes, and see what pops back up. Well, all the codes cleared. Did it come back up? So now it's time to take for a drive and see what we can get to come back up. All right, just drove it 12 miles. Let's see what we got. And also, do a spin, Cohen. Found like a $100 computer chair in the middle of the road. I couldn't let somebody run it over, so it's got a new home. Show them this thing, Cohen. Check it out.
It's not terrible.
It's like brand new. It's nice and poofy. All right, to the scanner. All that came back up was that charging system fault. It's been there for like 100,000 miles. This one. Fuel pump, secondary circuit. Fuel pump driver module code 1237. Let's go check into that. All right, guys, we just got the spare tire down. We had to cut it down because it was locked in place. This is a rust bucket. You can see the frames rusting out and everything. And check it out. Here's your fuel pump module driver. Look, it's blown open. It's busted. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and replace this. If you want to test these fuel pump drivers, this is your power and power, ground and ground. You can run a jumper wire here to here and here to here if your car won't start at all, if the driver's dead. And then if your vehicle starts, you know that your driver's bad. See, that's ground and ground, power and power. So you just jump those two. You can see we got some bare wire right here. So that's not good. So, yeah, we got a little work to do. We'll unplug this. It has broken right off of its hold down spots. There's supposed to be ears. There's the rest of it. You see we got its hold down bolt there and there. So, yeah, I'd say that's the problem. Parts store has one in stock for 70 bucks right now. Let's get one coming. We'll change it out, clear the codes, and it should be good to go. No wonder the guy was like, especially when it rains.